What's up guys, Dave here, back again with another episode of Tech UnRaveled. Today I have the TaoTronics SoundLiberty Pro P10s. These are in that $69.99 price point. I will link down in the description where you can find them. As usual, we will do an audio test, a mic test, a active noise cancellation test, and latency test. Sit back, relax, grab that popcorn, roll the unboxing. All right guys, let's go ahead and get these popped into my ear holes. I'm excited to see how these sound. I like these lower budget earbuds where everybody can afford them, and it's important that we find high quality ones at the right price so that way you guys don't waste your money. Let me go ahead and start the music app here. Let's get them cranked all the way up to 11. Very clear audio. Ooh, punchy. The highs are really clear. All right guys, so I gotta say $69. They sound fantastic. The bass is super punchy. Does not rattle my brain, but it's nice, it hits, it's clean. The highs are crispy and the mids are smooth as butter. They sound great. At the end of the day, for $69.99, I'm actually quite impressed with the audio that comes out of these. So next, we're gonna do a mic test. So let's see how that goes. It's mic test time. All right, guys, this is the sound of my voice with the TaoTronics SoundLiberty Pro P10s. Let's go ahead and introduce some ambient noise into the background. Again, this is the sound of my voice with the TaoTronics SoundLiberty Pro P10s with ambient noise running in the background. So let's go ahead and jump into the second half of the test. I'll see you in a second. All right guys, so we are now in my car driving down the road. You may notice one thing right off the bat. My car is way louder than it was. I had a new exhaust put on. It's very loud in here now. This is what it would sound like with the TaoTronics if we were driving down the road. I'm gonna go ahead and crack the windows just a little bit. Now this is just a couple of inches down, so if you had the windows down a little bit to get some air, this is what it would sound like. And then all the way down, this is how they would handle the wind blowing around through the cabin of the vehicle. So I'm gonna get these windows up, head back to the studio. Let me know down in the comments below what you think. I'll see you in a sec. All right guys, so we are back in studio. What'd you think of the mic test? Let me know down in the comments below. Up next is the active noise cancellation test. If you don't know, if you haven't watched my videos before, this is Ted. Ted is a binaural microphone. Basically, there is a mic in each one of his ears, so that way you can hear what it would be like if these were in your ears. So what we're gonna do guys is I'm gonna start playing ambient noises and I'm gonna be talking. Then I'm gonna cycle through the controls. Now there is no app for the TaoTronics, so I have to wear headphones. That way I can tell which mode the earbuds are in. Now currently what you're hearing is off. I do know that they are in off mode, so active noise cancellation, transparency, whatever it has is completely turned off. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these on my ears and I'm gonna start cycling through the different modes, and then we'll do it one more time with ambient noise playing in the background. Let me pop these on, and right now let's go ahead and cycle.
ANC on.
This is with ANC on, so you should have really noticed a difference in my voice. It should have gotten more muffled. Let's go ahead and cycle through the next mode. I believe it is a wind mode.
Anti-wind mode.
So this is anti-wind mode. We're not doing any type of testing for that today, so let's just go ahead and cycle again, which should
ANC
be off. So now this is ANC off. My voice should have shifted, and then I'm gonna go ahead and cycle ANC on one more time.
ANC on.
And again, this is my voice, what it would sound like if we were standing next to each other. So I'm gonna go ahead and cycle through both modes back to off, and then I'm going to start the ambient noise in the background one more time, and it should turn it off.
ANC off.
Again, this is with ANC turned off right now, guys. I'm gonna let the background noise play for a moment. And now let's go ahead and cycle.
ANC on.
So there you have it. Let me know what you think down in the comments of the active noise cancellation. And now we're gonna go ahead and do the latency test. As always, we are going to test on an iOS and Android device. The iOS device is an iPhone 12 Pro Max, and the Android device is the Google Pixel 5a 5G. Up first is going to be the iPhone. Let's go ahead and start the test now. All right, and now let's go ahead and switch it over to the Android phone. All right, guys, so that's what I have for you today. If you like this video or I helped you in any way, smash that thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you get notified of my next video. I will talk to you in the next one. Peace!
Alright, that's a check. That's a wrap.